korwo makirutira na gutacukia makinya ta maria magitacukitio ni ngabana wa kaunti ya Embu Cecily mbarire na ni itemi rĩa gutigirira ati ni akirutira muingi wake wira muturi makiria ni oriti a Kenya korwo makiga thayu na gweterera itua ria mĩario ya ũiguano na iria iragithie na mbere kuria nyumba-ini ya micemanio ya Bomas igitabanio ni kamiti iria yumbitwo ni atongoria kuma mwahu wa Kenya Kwanza rundumwe na mwahu wa Azimio no na ukiri uguo ni agithingatite Raila Odinga gukorwo agitikira itua ria igoti na kuga ati ni agikorirwo agitorio githurano-ini kia mwaka muhituku.
Say that within 2 months, 60 days, he wants us to have agreed as a country on the transfer of the remaining functions, which in the fourth schedule to the Constitution are supposed to be devolved. So, Speaker, my brother, na wale wengine, kazi kwenu bana, Francis Duiga, kazi itakuwa nyingi. I know very many chief officers and they must appreciate you to have come, Bwana Ndiga, Kadiga and the others, Madam, for having come to represent my good friend, says the governor of Embu. She's doing a great job. We all know what she is doing today in the discussions. They are calling them the talks about talks. Yeah? Lakini hiyo nataka kuachia Ruku ndio watajua. Sitaki kuzungumzia hayo sana kwa sababu huenda unajua hiyo mambo huenda ikatereza ileto kwangu. So nikizungumza sana niko na maoni yangu, lakini nikizungumza sana watu wanaweza sema hapana, it will not be fair to us.
So this issue of negotiations, we have nothing to negotiate. The people of the Republic of Kenya made a decision on 9th of August last year, and we know who is the president. The president is none other than William Samoei. So one of the agendas in those talks, we ask the first agenda is to cut off the talks in Bomas of Kenya. Kenyans have more serious issues to deal with. We have a cabinet which is working day and night to ensure the life of the people of Kenya become bearable.
Na tugitigane na icio tukirongoreria ciĩgiĩ